All right, check this out. If you're looking for a budget welder, this is a great option. I've used this for over a year now, and I've had very good luck with it. All right, so there's a power switch on the back there. You can see how this is. So you can crank that up. Alright, so 120 is as low as it goes. And we're on Flux right there. You can change the modes. Alright, so that's working pretty good. Just went about every other inch. And then went back and just try to do little tack welds. And I only burned a couple areas, which isn't bad. So the weld's on 144 right now, which seems to be a good balance for me right now. I've used other welders, especially budget welders like Harbor Freight ones and a couple other, but I have found this one to be the best bang for your buck. It's extremely easy to use and it works really well. I've only used it on the Flux core setting, but there is other options. You can use stick and TIG or lift TIG. You can feed the wire in on the side there. It's very easy. It's very compact. I'm using this for doing some home body work, just some rust repair. I used this on the Volkswagen Beetle that we have, and now I'm doing the Volkswagen Jetta. But definitely check this thing out. If you're interested, there will be a link in the description. Thanks. This company also makes helmets, so check those out as well.